What's up people, what's up viewers, this is the YP verified YouTube channel. It is important for you to like the video and subscribe. Like this video and subscribe. Now people, viewers, it's a similar situation to the one where happened about 2 weeks ago with the wanted man, Mantan Brown. You understand? First we hear say 2 men get chopped down on the highway by the security forces in a shootout. Then we hear say the identity of the man is a wanted man. You understand? The man with them did a watch. Them are going to put out film identity first. And the next person is unidentified. Them youth are always a role the wanted people are known gunman or gang member. But we're going to find out the identity of the next person soon. And no, I'm not complaining now. I'm just saying it's a similar situation. And just like that incident with the wanted man Mantan Brown, this operation was carried out by the Counter-Terrorism and Organised Crime Investigation Branch CTOC. And at the same way them intercept the vehicle just as they did to the other vehicle. And just as said in the incident about 2 weeks ago with the Mantan Brown situation, it's the same thing as being said in this situation. After them pull over the vehicle, after them stop the vehicle, after them fan down the vehicle or whatever, the man them just come out and start fire shot. But there's only one difference. In the incident with Mantan Brown, they recovered 1 firearm. In the incident, 2 handgun and a rifle, or rather a submachine gun. Now people, viewers, I want to realize the police them a strike them man upon the highway. We want to get from that. Them a do it on the highway. Not in the busy street like the regular road, you understand, where casualties, innocent people can get shot, you understand, and or them can easily escape. No, them a do it on the highway. Less vehicles. A be a bush to the way, it's harder for you get way. But people say, oh, bush to them can run in a bush, but it's more difficult for them get to it because the police are going to have more opportunity to shoot compared to the regular road where bag of people, bag of innocent bystanders like this, so them can't just shoot as them like. You have to think about them people. But on the highway, as boy jump out and start fire, we can shoot back. If him a run, we can shoot. We don't have to worry about people that get shot because nobody not dead so. Now, people, viewers, I'm going to read the article and remember to like the video and subscribe. Like this video and subscribe. High-ranking busted gangster among 2 killed in highway confrontation with the police. A high-ranking member of the busted gang from St. James is among 2 men shot and killed during a highway confrontation with the police a short while ago. A submachine gun is among 2 weapons seized during the incident. Dead is Odane Christopher and an unidentified man. In a statement, the police described Christopher as one of St. James' most notorious gunmen. Reports are that a targeted operation conducted by the Counter-Terrorism and Organised Crime Investigation Branch CTOC led the police to intercept a motor vehicle along the north-south highway in the vicinity of the Linstead exit. According to the police, when the vehicle was signaled to stop, 2 men alighted and opened fire at the police team. The police say fire was returned and 2 men were killed. 1 Intratec Tech 9 submachine gun and 1 9mm pistol were seized. Christopher was out on bail, having been charged with the 2017 murder of 14-year-old Jardine Blackwood. Christopher was charged alongside 5 others. He was reporting in St. James on condition of his bail. The Independent Commission of Investigations, INDECOM, has been notified and the scene is currently being processed. Now, I know no found probably I say, oh, INDECOM enough, so I want to INDECOM, man. But I'm not staying at them lane. Well, INDECOM serve a purpose, you understand? INDECOM serve a purpose and them might give some amount of closure to an incident in the future. So we have to just see with them, you understand? Allow them, make them live and do them work just as the police. Now, people, viewers, I said it already, the incident is similar to the Mantan Brown situation, you understand? And the next thing is similar. The youth them now learn. The youth them now put down the guns. That is definitely similar also. The youth them now learn. Them love the gun. Them love the badness. Them love shoot off a police. Well, police are gonna shoot back. I wanna know how that go. Police are trained. You guys are not. So who do you think will come out on top? Most the police. Police, them a do them work. I don't know how them youth just love the badness. So, yo, the youth them surrounding where them a grow up in. And the badness them see, and the badness them a pursue. I them see as the hype, you understand? So I them a follow. But them no know say, them still no know say, them still not learn say every action have a reaction. And we can call it a side effect, you understand? You go in a badness, you kill people, police are after you, and once the police after you, you still do your badness, them go kill you. You get what me I say? And for who are run down girl thing, come with a side effect too. You understand? You have a bag of girl. If you not use a condom, you can catch AIDS, you understand? Because enough for them girl you go around with AIDS, and a girl alone man too, you get what me I say? Man I fuck a bag of girl. One of the day them you go buck when you have HIV and she not go tell you, and it vice versa for the woman them too. I fuck a bag of man. One of the day them you go buck up a man who have HIV and he's not going to talk. Them are going to allow you to catch it just through them while you stick with them. You understand? I don't know how a person can catch HIV and still go around the same rate and have sex as they did before them know say them have HIV. And some of them people that find out say them have HIV and just go around and give it away. Same difference, you understand? Them just go around and give everybody. It's supposed to be a crime, you know. I don't know why it's not a crime in Jamaica. But they said this before, I know it's a crime in some state in America. It's attempted murder, attempted manslaughter and things like that. You can go jail for it for knowing that you have HIV, AIDS and still go around and have unprotected sex with females or males, both males and females. You know persons who have HIV and still go around and do things and things and things. But yeah, back to the talk, back to over the talk. But the parents them for raise them youth the right way. You understand? Some of the parents them allow them around criminals. You get what me I say? Enough of the parents them are friend with criminals, murderers and these things. Enough of them are friend with them people, and them picnic ground and see them talk up to the whole of them criminal there, and them gonna feel like say it is the right thing. It's okay. You understand? That can become a mentality, and even when them grow up big and see say your police are gonna kill them if them do certain thing. Not that police will kill them in a but that way it most likely like a lead to. When them grow and see say it's not a good thing, them still not stop because it done in them head already. Them done attached to that. I don't know how to explain it, but it rough, it tough like some out the head. But here are people viewers. Remember, this is the YP Verified YouTube channel. Like the video now and subscribe. Like this video and subscribe. Big up on yourself.